welcome back. So we had made a program that can check your spellings and translate one a word from Spanish and
French and
German, and it can perform NLP task. So we use PyTTSX3 library to convert text to speech, NLTK library to perform NLP task, and Google Translate to translate words. NLP task tokenization. It breaks a sentence. Example, I like to play football. It breaks it into I like to play football. Stemming. It removes the prefix and suffix from a sentence. It doesn't give meaningful word, but
it is useful for things like basic words.
lemmatization. It uses dictionary to make words in their basic form, like ran, runs, running. It gives basic form run.
To add to that, now we have translation speech. So we are using Google Translate. First it does the lemmatization, then it tries translating it to multiple languages. Now for our operating system, I use Windows, and this is Windows. So Windows is not good at saying languages with different bases. So we are not using language like Russian or Marathi because it can't pronounce. TTSX3 is the same. We are just converting the electrical signals into audio text, and then we're translating it. We use an autocorrect, which is also trained by many words, so it knows what are the common mistakes, uncommon mistakes. It just makes the thing sound normal. So our UI works like this. We first perform we have three options. We can perform NLP tasks, we can translate and speak, and we can spell check. This uses a control flow loop, which is basically if then else. So if user inputs 1, it will be NLP, and we enter that in the user. Then we run the tool. The user enters the text they want to process, enters what they want to do with it. The tool processes it. Then the results are displayed, like tokenization, stamped, dramatized. Okay, now we'll go to the code directly. We use ChatGPT to integrate it into a loop because the libraries were slightly complicated to the functions. And okay. So we won't spend much time explaining the code. We'll show you the output directly. You have to execute the code. So it is working. Because it uses multiple libraries, it might take a while. This doesn't happen with high-end computers. But it takes half an hour for my computer to do it. So,
half an hour for
maybe after half an hour लगता है. So we install the libraries, NLTK, and then all the other libraries.
one of your
Okay, go down.
start with this.
Okay, so we have created 3 functions. A function is basically telling the computer a set of rules, and then we can call that out. The perform NLP task function tokenizes the text, stems the text, and lemmatizes it. Speak in French translates it, and then the engine says it. Then this is the rate, which how fast it will go, and a few technical things. Rate, speech rate equals to 12. We define it on the brackets. This is called an answer. So it's a variable we would like to use in the function. A variable is basically a word which represents a number. This is spell checker, so just correct the word is spelled correctly, if it's spelled correctly, or it's just the best suggestion for this is this. Then this is the basic control flow. Speak in French, speak in German, all the things we are going to showcase right now. And then it just like if the action is for do this, it's not that complicated. Restart the kernel. Sometimes we have to restart the kernel if there's some error. This helps it run better. Okay, now can anyone give a sample text for the tool? What?
Text sample?
Any sentence?
Any sentence. You can
Siddhartha is talking. Okay. Now,
start from
we start from 3.
Siddhartha Chetty Escott.
That was in German.
Try it in French.
Now, if we try.
Try a long sentence. Whatever you want to type a longer sentence.
Wait, that. The one says in French. Yeah.
JAI Manja or GT un pomme dimanche.
How do we know this guy?
Okay, I
Reverse
go off it.
Reverse translation.
J means I, A is the word to have, munch is eat, Yuna is article, orange, apple.
Translate.
Okay, I can Google translate it.
No, it's okay. Show the other options. There are other options. Then check the how you.
Okay, so I insert the answer and you click it.
Done.
What they click on.
So now we try extension, which will give a suggestion for each word. High is his. Okay, sometimes it goes wrong because some words are closer to word. So high is close to his, more than is close to her. I don't get that. Today is today because you don't have to remove one word. Is, and Sunday is Sunday.
But yeah.
Not mine. So now we will perform 2 and tasks for the last part of our mission. So I will then let's do it and in that. So now it's correct. That's the spelling. Then I'll perform an NLP test. Enter. Lamatide. Okay, so this is the tokenized task. I am in 10x Tech Club. Since I am in 10x Tech Club. Now be, because am, the root form of am is to be. So I be in 10x Tech Club. Now because it wasn't complicated, it was just the same thing in the stems and answers part, almost. I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a complicated text message. It will probably be better.
I'll do a complicated sentence. an educational coding platform enabling you to create animations.
So,
Let it be. Okay. Let's know how to create animations for our games.
and videos, I guess.
AI projects.
I told I'm
So
confused.
this is that's what you are not some companies can do.
It's going to be.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's perform these NLP tasks. Now projects, we can project and edu code platform enable you to create without any and
So you know this graphics and circuits.
yes, the stand was elements of simple patterns with the difference. Thank you all.